You know why many people have dream to go to either Paris, US trip, Japan trip, Goa trip, etc. Why people want to go here and there? Why people want to explore not only places but new technology, new things? Why people have this tendency to explore? Nomadic peoples. The definition of nomadic person is that person which walk from one place to another for living, for food, for shelter. Nomadic peoples are still there, but very less in number. You can find them in Africa, Brazil. Nomadic people roam here and there because they also want to have food. They are in search of food, they are in search of shelter. Nomadic people are not sedentary. Sedentary means a person who has settled in a place, fixed place. There he will get the facility of food only, of shelter, every basic amenity. So, this is not the case with nomadic person. And the tendency that nomadic person have of exploring is inside you of exploring. Just listen carefully that you want to explore new things, you want to explore places, new technology, etc. There is a characteristic of a nomadic person inside you if you are like this. And nomadic person go on from place to place for search of these things. You go on from place to place or new things to new things for search of something new. Maybe that be a pleasure, happiness, or etc. But one interesting fact, that this thing people keep on doing throughout their life. Still, even now, if we ask them, aren't you bored? They will say no. If someone gives me opportunity to visit a new place or experience or to have new thing, I would definitely try that. Why this tendency of having something new, exploring something new is there inside you? Because there resides a nomadic person inside you. That's why some are wanderlust, some are wanting to have new piece of news. That's why some are addicted to newspaper, social media. Some want new status of a person, new photos of a person, new videos of a person. Even you want new videos from me either every day, every week, or every month, be it any time period. You also want new videos, you also want to listen new things from me. Why? Because you have a hidden nomadic person inside you. Nomadic people may be less in number, very less, but they are residing in every human being, almost every human being today. They also go on from place to place to explore, to have search of something, food or shelter or hunting. You also go on from place to place or try new things, new technology, because you are also in a search of something new which you haven't experienced. And the hypocrisy is, despite having this nomadic character inside every human being, many people criticize the nomadic persons. They say they aren't civilized. But you know what? Even civilization can't stop the wanderlust inside you. Even if you are born in a civilized society, or you are civilized, but that is so called, that is just on paper, in name only, but in reality, from inside, you are nomadic, you are primitive. Because your characteristics, your habits resembles with that of a nomadic person. So every human being by birth is a nomadic person. There is just a slight difference. Nomadic person go on search for food, shelter, hunting. You are going for something new, happiness, pleasure, or anything. In fact, you may also go in search for food, shelter, or hunting. And this happens. What is the definition of migration? This only people from rural areas go to urban areas in search of job. Why? Because with job they will get money. Why they want money? Because with money they can purchase shelter for them, food for them. This is the connection. And not only from rural area to urban area, people are migrating from one urban area to another urban area. For what? For their career. Why career? Because their career will get them money. And why they want money? Because with the help of money they will purchase shelter, food, cloth. So despite the forms have been changed, despite you are born in a civilized society, your way is something civilizational, but deep down a fundamental nomadic resides inside you. Subscribe if you find this video helpful.